If you are 65 or older, the government just gave you $6,000. And most seniors have absolutely no idea this money even exists. I'm not talking about a stimulus check. I'm not talking about Social Security. I'm talking about a brand new tax deduction signed into law that could put thousands of dollars back in your pocket. And the IRS is not going to call you. They are not going to send you a letter. If you don't know about this, you don't get it. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what this is, who qualifies, and how to make sure you're not leaving money on the table. This is called the Senior Bonus Deduction. It was created by the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed by President Trump on July 4, 2025. Starting with the 2025 tax year, meaning the taxes you are filing right now in 2026, every American age 65 and older can claim an additional $6,000 deduction. If you are married and both you and your spouse are 65 or older, that number doubles. You get $12,000. And here is the part that most people miss. This deduction works whether you itemize or take the standard deduction. You do not have to choose. It stacks on top. That means a single senior over 65 could be looking at a total deduction of over $23,000. Let me give you a real example. Say you are 72 years old. You are filing individually. Your total income for the year is $70,000. Before this new law, you would take the standard deduction of $15,750. That leaves you with a taxable income of $54,250. Now, with the new senior bonus deduction, you add another $6,000 on top. Your taxable income drops to $48,250. That is a real, meaningful difference on your tax bill. For some seniors, this deduction completely eliminates the federal taxes they were paying on their Social Security benefits. That is money that stays in your pocket, not the government's. Now let's talk about who qualifies, because there are some income limits you need to know. First, you must be 65 years old or older by December 31st, 2025. Second, the full $6,000 deduction is available if your modified adjusted gross income, or MAGI, is $75,000 or less for a single filer. For married couples filing jointly, that limit is $150,000. Now, if your income is higher than that, the deduction starts to phase out. It disappears completely if you make more than $175,000 as an individual or $250,000 as a married couple. But here is the key point. If your income is under those limits and you are not claiming this deduction, you are giving the IRS money you are not legally required to give them. Here is what you absolutely need to understand. This deduction is not permanent. Congress approved it through 2028 only. That gives you 3 years, 2025, 2026, and 2027 tax returns, to take full advantage of it. After that, it is gone unless Congress acts again. And based on what I see in Washington right now, I would not count on that. A certified public accountant in California called this 3-year window, and I am quoting here, an incredible, valuable opportunity. I agree. Most financial advisors are already telling their clients to plan around this deduction right now, today, not next year. The people who act in year 1 keep the most money. The people who wait until 2028 are the ones who look back and wish they had done something sooner. So what do you actually do with this information? Step 1. Check your age. If you turned 65 by December 31st, 2025, you qualify for this deduction on the return you are filing right now. Step 2. Check your income. If you are under $75,000 as a single filer or $150,000 as a married couple, you get the full $6,000. Step 3. Make sure whoever is doing your taxes knows about this. Whether that is TurboTax, H&R Block, or a local accountant, this is a new law. Not everyone is on top of it yet. Ask them specifically, am I claiming the senior bonus deduction from the One Big Beautiful Bill? If they look confused, that is a problem. Step 4. If you are married and both of you are 65 or older, make sure you are claiming $12,000, not $6,000. That is a mistake I have already seen people make. The government passed this law. They are not going to explain it to you. That is exactly why this channel exists. If this video helped you, hit subscribe right now, because every single week I bring you the tax rules, the IRS updates, and the money-saving strategies that most seniors never hear about. And in my next video, I am going to show you the one Social Security mistake that could cost you over $100,000 in retirement, and how to avoid it. You do not want to miss that one. I will see you there.